Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth and welcome to Miles and Memories. This is the second episode of my Scandinavia trip, and today I'm going from Stockholm to Tromso. So I took a early morning flight from Stockholm to Oslo. Right now I'm at Oslo airport and I have my connecting flight to Tromso at 9:45. And in Tromso I'll be exploring the Northern Lights. So I've booked a Northern Lights tour today, and day after tomorrow I've booked a fjord cruise, Arctic Fjord Cruise, which I'll be covering in this video. And tomorrow I'll be covering the city, so I'll be exploring the Tromso city tomorrow. So if you are watching and if you like the video, please like and subscribe to Miles and Memories, and I would love to hear your feedback on this video. So please comment down your thoughts on this video. We'll see you in Tromso. We reached Tromso airport from Oslo, and the views of snow mountains from the plane were amazing. No wonder it is called Winter Wonderland. Now we are heading to our hotel in Tromso. We are taking a bus, local transport, to get to our hotel. We have checked in to our hotel in Tromso. The name of the hotel is Intercity, and the hotel staff is very courteous and very friendly. They allowed us to check in at 12:30, although the regular check-in time is 3 p.m. The room is very spacious compared to what we had got in Stockholm. So this is the room that we have got. Right now it is 12:45 and now we are heading to have our lunch. Right now it is 5:30 in the evening. We are in Tromso and we are going to the meeting point for the Northern Lights tour that we have booked.
Address is in the corner.
Okay.
So I have my list and I will call your name just to check. Is everyone here? Avoid that. So we will take the main road E8 and we will drive close to.
These are the suits that are given to us.
So hot.
They are extremely hot. So this is how Siley looks like. But Siley. Right now we have stopped for a coffee break at some 7-Eleven store.
Sugar?
2 sugar. So we have reached the spot to chase the Northern Lights. It is absolutely dark here. I'm not able to see anything yet, and the lights are expected to get visible in next 1 hour. Yesterday we went for the Northern Lights chasing tour. It was an amazing experience. It was almost 7 to 10 hours of trip, organized trip. We went in a minibus. The temperature went down to almost minus 5 degree Celsius. We could not spot the Northern Lights directly from the naked eye, but yes, through camera we got some good pictures which I'll be posting in this video. So yesterday the density of light was very good as the guide told us, but the polarity was not as required. So the lights were not visible to the naked eye, but we got some good pictures. I haven't seen the pictures yet, but as soon as I get them, I'll upload them or I'll add them in this video. This looks like some kind of booth bar here. I had seen this one in some of the travel vlog by some other YouTuber. This looks very amazing. How are you feeling in Norway?
I feel like I belong here.
सासरी येऊन तुला कसं वाटतंय?
This is my Mahir.
सासरी येऊन कसं
Mahir
वाटतंय
आहे
तुला?
माझं.
The climate changes here like in a snap. It's raining heavily. The temperature has dropped down to I believe -3. We're going to have a coffee. We'll have some snacks.
Or we can also have it at 7-Eleven. नको.
Garib. So this is day 3 of Tromso. Today we have booked the Arctic Fjord Cruise, and right now it is 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and the temperature right now is 5 degrees. It is a little warmer than yesterday. It's still raining. This looks like the cruise that we have booked. They have not started onboarding yet. Right now it is 12:30 in the afternoon, and the cruise will start at 1 p.m.
Just 1 year after this one is called MS Trim.
So now the safety briefing is done, and now we can walk around the ship. And this is the upper deck. We missed this place. This was an amazing spot. This is the cafe and the bar. now we have stopped at the location where they are going to show us the fishing culture of Tromso. They have divided us in three groups and we need to follow our leader here.
Then you can go together. You can go in this room there with me.
Okay.
So split the group. Now you so this is actually real size of the biggest that have been caught in Norway. So the biggest cod was that big and the biggest halibut was that big. Of course nowadays they are getting smaller and smaller because the biggest have been fished. Alright, so welcome to the Norwegian cathedral as we call it. So those are fish drying racks. This one here and the one behind that is not in use anymore, not in a very good shape. So the fish drying rack is something very common in Norway, especially from Lofoten Island to Finnmark, so mostly in the north, and I will explain you why a bit later. So in these fish drying racks that are still in use, it's like used since a very long time now, but it's still very common. Actually what you tried earlier, the cod chips, they are dried in that kind of racks.
The Arctic Fjord experience was amazing. It was almost 4 hours trip. They took us on an island where we clicked very beautiful pictures. They walked us through the fishing culture that the Norway has, and the commentary in the boat was amazing. It was informative, so they gave us all the information about the wrecked ship, the islands nearby, and the history of Norway as well. So this tour is definitely recommended if you are visiting Tromso. So it was an unforgettable experience. Tromso truly lives up to its name as the Arctic capital. Very calm, beautiful and straight out of postcard.
क्या बात है जी, एक्टिंग की बादशाह कसम से बहुत अच्छी वीडियो बनाई है.
So if this video gave you goosebumps or little bit of FOMO of travel, do share it with your travel buddy, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and click on subscribe so that you don't miss the upcoming journeys with me. So the next trip, so from here I'll be traveling to Oslo, which I'll be covering in my next video. So stay tuned. Thank you.